Hello friends, I'm gonna do my Boxycharm Premium for June unboxing. This is June's premium box, and let's see what we got in it. This is, oops, it moved on me and things fell. The card, let's see, it's kind of hiding everything, but anywho, my box weighed 2.4 pounds, and I got C21, which I believe is the year 21, and the month 06, and the box 282, and the PM stands for premium down here at the bottom. And let's see, the first thing that is on the list is, it was my choice, and it's the Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. That was my choice. You get two choices in the premium, I believe. I think they're going to let you do that. I know I got two choices, and I picked this palette, and it comes with the mirror. And these are all matte shades. Very pretty. Very pretty. Can do awesome looks with this. I love me some palettes. It says keep life simple on the inside of the flap here. Keep life simple. Now let me pull this back out. Oh, it just keeps on saying, keep life simple. Yes, and we should keep life simple. And then the next on here was another choice. I chose Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion. Very pretty also. It's a nice blush. And it's in the color pomegranate. And that is what I chose. It was in the choice for me. Oh, and the Dominique Cosmetic Transition Palette. The MSRP was $48, and the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion, $32. And then on the next, is Skin Regimen, 1.85 or HA booster, hydrating or hydra plumping concentrate. Says a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hydraulic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restores optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance. And 99.2% natural origin ingredients. Value, the MSRP on this is $115. I don't believe I'm gonna open this because I've got other serums that I've got open and need to use. And product number 4 is Moroccan Oil, Perfect Dense. It's to protect your hair. It's Perfect Defense is a weightless dry aerosol heat protective spray. This nourishing argan oil and vitamin fused formula rehydrates the hair while protecting against damaging effects of heat styling up to 450 Fahrenheit slash 230 Celsius. That's pretty cool. I need that. And that retail price, or MSRP, is $28. And then next on here is Zoeva. Let me take this out. It's Zoeva Soft as Velvet. The ultra creamy formula glides on the lips smoothly, combining intense color with the long-lasting formula that sets to a matte finish. The velvety ultra matte liquid lipstick delivers supple and full lips. The formulation of this lipstick is 100% free of animal-deprived ingredients, fragrance, mineral oils, parabens, and phthalates. And the MSRP for this is $15. That's not bad. And it's in the color Matte Chat. And last but not least is by Daily Concepts. It's a daily body scrubber. Starting the morning with this scrubber is the best way to invigorate your body and awaken the senses to be ready to seize the day. It gently exfoliates with its soft, natural, organic cotton surface, while the soy-based core creates a rich lather when partnered with your favorite cleanser. And it retail or MSRP $18, and it's a new launch. So that's pretty awesome. Well, let me open this up to I don't want to open it up like that and take away some of the a sharper knife, I suppose. A dull knife can kill you. I better pull out a sharper one. Find it. Yeah, here we go. Let's hope I don't hurt myself with this one because it's sharper. Much sharper. A trusty old buck knife. Oh, yeah. I do believe I will like this. It'll come in real handy. Shower the world with love. Got a pretty good box. Pretty darn satisfied. Let me get my trusty calculator here, and so I paid well, the box is $35, and then you pay taxes, and my box come to $35 or $38 and some change that I paid for. But now let's add up these prices here. The whole box come to $256, and I paid only $38 and some change for it. That is really a good deal. Very good deal. I couldn't ask for better stuff. I mean, the Laura Geller and the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and this here for whenever you go and do your hair, and this lip, you know, and this, I mean, I won't be able to use it right away because I've already got a serum open, so, but yeah, I got an excellent box. I'm really happy. And If we are twins in the box, let me know, and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.